Welcome to this short video on the total length command, which is part of the Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD 2021 release. So the total length command allows you to select a number of polylines or lines and get the total length of those. To demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Kobe Toolkit for AutoCAD. We're going to go over here to the Calculate panel and we're going to click on Total Length. At the command line, it says select your object. So I'm going to select all those polylines right there, just like that. There's multiple polylines. So I'm going to press enter. And here it comes up showing me I've got a polyline. They're 3D polyline. There's 4 of them, and the total length is 319,962. I'm going to OK that. Let's go ahead and add a line in here now. So let's just add a line here, and I'm going to add a polyline at the end of that. Something like this. So I'm going to come back up here to the ribbon. I'm going to select total length. I'm going to select everything again. And now you'll see I've got one line, one polyline, and 4 3D polylines for a total length of 645.184 feet. I'm going to OK. This concludes this short video on the total length command. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.